Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you lesson peripheral devices. Students, generally we have learned 4-5 devices of the computer such as monitors, keyboard, CPU, mouse and UPS. But there are many other devices which is useful for the computer's operations also. So that all kind of devices is called peripheral devices. These devices are also divided into three categories, and here is that input devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices, devices which we use to give information to the computer. That kind of devices is called input devices such as keyboard and mouse. Number 2, output devices, devices which the data is given by the computer, examples monitors, speakers, etc. And number 3 is storage devices. Storage devices is used to store the data. So here these are three types of peripheral devices. So first of them is here types of input devices. Students, here are given some pictures and name of that pictures are here, which is input devices. So first of them is here keyboard, number 2 mouse, number 3 stylus, number 3 scanners, number 4 scanner, number 5 barcode reader, number 6 joystick, number 7 microphone and number 8 light pen. So here whatever the devices, we know them very well. So in the next slide we will discuss about the scanner. What is scanner? So definition of a scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of text. When a document is scanned, it is converted into a digital format. This creates an electronic version of the document that can be viewed and edited on a computer. Means generally a scanner is used to convert the hard copy into digital copy, so we can edit and modify in computer. So here we have three types of scanners. So one of them is here called drum scanners. A type of scanner used to capture the highest resolution from an image. If you want to capture highest resolution means highest clarity, in that case you should use drum scanner. Now flatbed scanners. A flatbed scanner is a shallow rectangular box with a glass top and a light source inside. So this is called flatbed scanners because it is mainly flat in surface. Next is handheld scanner. Handmade scanners, they are very small in size which can be held in a hand. These are less expensive and less wide. Students, these handheld scanners can be on your palm also. So it is very small in size. This is the reason it is called handheld scanners. Next is here we are going to discuss output devices. So here output devices is, as you see in the pictures, monitors, printers, speakers and plotters. So here you can see what is a monitor. A monitor is the output device. A monitor is the output device of the computer. It can be referred to as the visual interface between the user and the computer. Visual interface means by which we can see the things is happening inside the computer. It navigates us to what we are doing. It displays text, graphic images, videos, etc. There are three types of monitors: CRT, LED, LCD. Number 2 is here a printer, that is a type of output device also which makes a clear representation of graphics or text usually on paper. There are two types of printers, impact and non-impact printers. Next, number 3 is speakers. Speakers are one of the most common output devices used with computer systems Speakers are transducers that convert electromagnetic waves into the sound waves so we can hear it. The speakers receive output input from a device such as a computer or an audio receiver. Number 4 is plotter. Plotter draw lines on a paper using a pen. In the past, plotters were used in applications such as computer aided designs, as they were able to produce line drawings much faster and of a higher quality. Printers and small desktop plotters were often used for business purpose. It has two types which we will discuss in the next slide. Students, here you can understand plotters is a output device. Okay, it works like a pen, means to sketch out anything. So now here we should discuss about the monitors. As we have learned in last slide, monitors has three types. One of them is here CRT, second LCD, and number third is LED. So first CRT. CRT, which extend for a cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube is a vacuum tube that contains one or more electron guns and a phosphorescent screen and is used to display the images. Students, means to say here electrons guns are working to display the screen. Next, number 2, LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD is a type of flat panel display which uses liquid crystals in its primary form of operation. As we all know, LCD is thin as compared to CRT monitors. Now, next number more advanced is here LED, which is light emitting diode. LED display is a flat screen, flat panel computer monitor or television. It has very short depth and is light in terms of weight. So student, as compared to LCD, LED is much better because in this diodes are working to display the screen. Next, number 4, more advanced touch screen monitor. A touch screen monitor is a screen computer display that is also an input device. The screen are sensitive to pressure. A user interacts with the computer by touching pictures or words on the screen, as you have touch screen mobile phone, touch screen of ATMs. By interact this screen, it will work for you. Now next is yet types of printer. Students, generally we have two types of printer, impact and non-impact printers. So impact printers are the printers which works by creating a direct contact between ink ribbon and paper. These printers are noisy yet popular. Impact printers have mechanical moving parts to conduct printing. Example, dot matrix printers and daisy wheel printers. Students, impact printers has physical contact between the ribbon and the paper and it is noisy too. Now next is here non-impact printers. Non-impact printers don't use any direct contact between ink and ribbon, means there is no physical contact between. They use laser, xerographic, electrostatic, chemical or inkjet technology. These printers are less noisy and don't have mechanical moving parts or fork to conduct the printing. Example, inkjet printers and laser printers. So non-impact printer is very useful nowadays and very popular in between us also. Next is here types of plotters. Number 1, drum plotter. Number 2, flatbed plotters. So first of them, this device works by moving a pen on a single axis track while the paper moves on a cylindrical drum. Number 2, flatbed plotter. They work by fixing paper on a flat surface while pens move to draw the image. The pen itself may be attached to an arm, allow it to easily move over the paper. Students, here in the first you can see a cylindrical drum is working, and here you can see a plotter. Here you can see a pen is working and sketching out. Number third is storage devices, secondary storage devices. Here we have number one hard disk device, number two is CD-ROM. So about hard disks, I would like to say Winchester disk, HDD, and HD other name of hard disk. It was introduced by Ray Johnson IBM team in 1954. A hard disk, hard drive or fixed disk is an electromechanical data storage device that stores retrieved digital data using magnetic storage of one or more rigid, rapidly rotating platters coated with magnetic material. And I hope so everyone has seen it. Next, number two is CD-ROM. A compact disc is a portable storage medium that can be used to record, store, and play back the audio, video. It has optical disc to store data. It is of two types, CDR and CDRW. CDR is used to record once and CDRW is rewritable, means you can delete the data and edit it again. Next is number third, DVD, digital versatile disc. DVD are mainly used to store data and backups. DVDs look exactly as CDs, but their storage capacity is more than 6 times as compared to CDs. So next, a DVD storing data on both surfaces has capacity of approximately 8 GB per side per disc. It is of two types, DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD-R and DVD-RW. Student, mostly DVD and CD are very similar in size and has optical media to store it, but just because their capacity is more than CD, so it is much advantageous as compared to CD. Next, Blu-ray disc. It is an optical storage media having same dimension as DVDs but enormous storage capacity of about 50 GB. Name drive blue violet laser. Largest. What is the feature of this? Largest capacity as compared to DVD and CD. Maximum pictures resolution, means you will see clear pictures. Good sound quality, backward qualities, and disc robustness, means no scratch can be marked on the Blu-ray disc. And next, number 5 is flash drive. A data storage device that uses flash memory is a small rectangular device that is designed to be unplugged directly into a USB port on a computer and is often used for transferring files from one computer to another. In generally, it is called thumb drive or pen drive. This pen drive is very popular nowadays. Thank you for the presentation.